show you how to add this smooth text animation in Premiere Pro. Select your type tool and type in a few words, then go over to Properties and modify the text however you want. Now, go over to Effects and search for Transform and add it to the text layer. Under Effect Controls, click the stopwatch icon next to Position under Transform. Then adjust your text so that it's just slightly lower than where it started. Now move your timeline slider ahead 2 seconds. Then reset the position by clicking here. Highlight both keyframes and right-click, select Temporal Interpolation Ease In, then do it again, but select Ease Out this time. Expand position, then drag the right handle to the left, then move the left up like this. Move your timeline slider to the 1 second mark. Then click the keyframe button next to opacity. Now move your slider to the start of the layer and modify opacity to 0. To animate each word separately, duplicate your text for each word that you have. So in my case, I will duplicate it 3 times, then offset each layer by about 10 frames. Now, move your slider over the first word, then adjust the right crop to remove the other 2 words. Position your slider over the second word now, and adjust the left and right crop to remove the other 2. Now do it for the final word, adjusting the left crop to remove the other 2 words. And if you want the exact project file, comment project, and I'll DM it to you.